Yes, we are going to start our class. We were talking about verbs, doing verbs. Doing words are called verbs. Jane, I will ask you one question, okay, Jane? Now, you have to tell me the verb in it. I eat an apple every day. Can you tell me the verb?
Apple every day. Eat.
No. Very good. Now, Akshara, listen to me carefully. Akshara, don't worry. Ma'am will teach you. We play cricket daily. We play cricket daily. Which is the doing action there? And what is the verb? Which is the verb over there? We play cricket daily. I'm not showing you the presentation now. Akshara, you have to only answer. We play cricket. We play cricket. Tell me the verb. Come on.
Yes.
Yes. Akshara, I don't want you to sit like this. We play cricket. What are you doing? Tell me. Playing. You're playing. We play. So which is the verb over there? Play. Akshara, be attentive. Please be attentive. Ma'am finished telling you. Okay, 1 minute, Akshara. Now, okay, Mitra, just listen carefully. She looks nice in a red frock. She looks nice. Mitra, tell me the verb. She looks nice in a red frock. Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the verb. She looks.
Look.
Very good. Looks. You must not tell even she. Akshara, wait, Akshara, now you don't say because you're not listening. Ma'am is angry with you. I'm telling Akshara, you're a good girl. You're not listening. Anyway, we'll see the next one. Okay, Akshara. Let us go to today's lesson. I will ask you a question. Don't get worried. Akshara, you must not shout at your parents. You were angry and I saw you showing big face. Must not do that, okay? They are leaving their job and coming and helping you. You tell them not to help you because ma'am will help you. Okay, when they tell you anything, you won't be able to know because they'll tell you the answer. Shama is missing, only the chair is there. Shama? Shama? Okay, Shama. Okay, now let us see what we are going to do now. Now see, don't write anything. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Just look at the screen, everybody. Let me see how you all are sitting. Yeah. Now we are going to learn about ing verbs. Okay, ing. Sugandhi, sure something is there. Okay, children. Now don't do anything. Just look at the screen. ing form. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you? Can you see properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. So that means everybody will see clearly. ing form. Look at the screen. Play, playing. Fly, flying. Study, studying. You're just adding ing to the given words without removing anything. Only when you write, you will learn. Okay. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am?
cannot see anything, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am?
I can't see the
Okay,
presentation.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. 1 minute. Come. 1 minute. Children cannot see എന്തോ അവരുടെ പിക്ചർ ഓക്കെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് വരുന്നതിന്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് ആൾക്കിട്ടാണ് ഓക്കെ കണ്ട കൊച്ചുകൾ കാണാനില്ലോ എന്ത് പറ്റി ആ ഇപ്പൊ ഫുള്ളായി പ്രസന്റേഷൻ കൊടുക്കണം അല്ലേ now 1 minute children 1 minute. Now I think all will be able to see, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Now children, okay, now please don't fidget with any of the buttons in your system. Kushagra, please sit back and listen. Okay, good. Now we'll go back to the presentation now. Now see, y plus ing. Play, fly, study. You no need to change anything. As I told you, when I say orally, you will not be able to take in. Anyway, when we write things, we will learn better. Now see here, E, remove E. E fell down. ing. Understood? Remove E, then just add ing. Next one. Now dance, children. There is a chance of you making mistake. Remove this E, ing. Remove E, rhyming fake. So all these you have to see properly. Now next one, double E. Seeing, fleeing, agreeing. Just don't remove anything. Just add ing. Now, die. You have to remove ie. See here? die, dying. lie, lying. tie, tying. We'll go to the next one. Add ing to these words. Children, you have to write this in your next page classwork note. Write today's date. Write slowly, neatly. You don't think you can go to the recording and do it? Sometimes there won't be current. There won't be power. So you do one thing. You just write now. Ma'am will help you to do. Now add ing to these words. Exactly like this you have to write. Add ing to these words. Have you written the heading? One child. Adonia, did you write this? No answer. Akshara, did you write add ing to these words?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
He is right, Akshara. Ma'am finished writing 5 times here in one notebook. Only the heading. After that, you leave one line and write these words. Don't write the answer. Don't write the answer because I have to tell you how to write. Please write 1 to 6 numbers, leaving one line. Leaving one line. Yes, neatly. Kanira, neatly you have to write. Jane, try to write cursive. Ma'am will teach you when you come for special class. Okay. Now write 1 to 6 numbers in the margin, leaving one line. Neatly. If it's not fitting in one page, go to the next page. Tridip, you have to leave one line, Tridip. Okay, good. And in the middle of the page, draw one line in the middle so that it will be neat. In the middle of the page, draw one line. You're not supposed to write the next number in the same page. If 6 numbers are not fitting, you have to go to the next page. I think there are 10. Yes, you can write all the words one by one, Prajan. When you yawn, just keep your hand, okay? When you sneeze, you have to use a handkerchief. Hope children, you're obeying all the rules of avoiding COVID. Okay. Wearing mask, not going out too many times, washing your hands regularly. You must not wait for somebody to tell you. Okay. I'm just seeing you all.
നീ ഒന്നും കുടിക്കണ്ട, നിനക്ക് പാലൊന്നും വേണ്ട, നിനക്ക് പാല് വേണ്ട.
Yes. Now let me go back to the screen. Sing. S-I-N-G. Eat. Now, I need your help because ma'am forgot. Ma'am was learning in my school time long back. Ma'am forgot now. Akhil. Akhil. No. Arush.
Ma'am, Akhil, ma'am.
Akhil, tell me the first one. Adding ing. Tell me the first one spelling adding ing. Add ing.
Singing, ma'am.
Singing. Don't say singing, it's singing. Tell me the spelling of singing.
S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing.
Yes, very good. Middle of the page, you must draw one line in the middle of your page. Then put one hyphen on that. Then write singing. Very good. Now, Sanjay Krishna, tell me eat plus ing.
Eating, ma'am.
Eating spelling.
E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating.
Very good. All can write in cursive. Now, Sanjit, fly plus ing.
Fly, ma'am.
Flying. You're flying now. Very good. FLY. There is no need to remove any letter. No need to add any letter. You just add ing. Flying. Going on. The action is going on. Fly is present. Flying. Continuing. Birds are flying in the sky means still they are flying. Now, Sachin, tell me drink plus ing with the spelling.
Okay, ma'am. Drinking.
Drinking. Tell me the spelling.
Drinking. Drinking.
Very good. Akhilan. Akhilan. Yes? Not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Akhilan, tell me walk plus ing.
Will.
Walk
Ing.
plus ing. What is the new word?
Walking.
Very good. Tell me the spelling.
W
Yeah.
I K
Uh,
walk
K
ing.
after K, ing. No need to do anything else. Good. Naren, please tell me the next one. Naren, not there. Okay. Tanvi, jump plus ing. Tanvi, Tanvi, please tell me jump plus ing.
Jumping.
Jumping. Tell me the spelling of it.
Jumping. Jumping.
Very good. Very good. Hope you'd have written all this. Let me see. Kailina, Kushagra, did you write? Kushagra, I'm going to come to your house.
Yes, ma'am.
Seeing outside what is nice scenery must be over there.
Right, ma'am.
Good. Finish. Not I write, I wrote. Children, when you
Walk,
speak.
ma'am.
Okay. Kailina,
Yes, ma'am.
show me a notebook. Don't talk this and that. Did you write the answers? Very good. You must write neatly, touching both the lines. Good. I think we can go to the next one. Children,
Yes,
when you speak, you have to speak in past tense. Don't write now. The woodcutter. Cut, not cutted, children. Cut, put. You must not add cutted, putter, and all. It's very bad. When you hear someone speaking correct word, you have to take in. Don't say cutted it, I eated, and all that. I ate. Ma'am will teach you some other day before. I mean next week, certain words, then you can learn it. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. See now, continuously you write because you must know all these words. First you write all the words. Don't write add ing, you can continue. Sundi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you write sixth one jumping only, ma'am.
Again, say 1 minute. You write 7. Okay. Sundi, can't change. Number repeated. Never mind. You write 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, please write.
ma'am.
Please write till 12 numbers and then write neatly. 7, 8, 9. Good, Rahul. Not Rahul. 7, 8, 9. I was counting. Why only 11? Okay, 12. Please write 12. Now you know ma'am also make mistake. Never mind. Okay. Write all these words. Write all these words. No answers now. Write, tell, sleep. Please don't be in a hurry to write the answers. Sleep, watch, dance, hop. See, certain things you have to change something, so don't write the answers. In the middle, draw one line. You'll have to continue in the next page, leaving one line.
I don't have place to write 9, 10 level. I'm going to next page.
Yes, next page. There is no place. You have to go to next page. എന്താ
അത് മമ്മിയുടേതാ കണക്ട് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു
സോണിയുടെ അയ്യോ ഡോണ്ട് ആൻസർ അയ്യോ പിള്ളേരുതാണോ അപ്പൊ മാറ്റി മാറ്റി
അല്ല മമ്മിയുടെ കണക്ട് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
കൊച്ചുങ്ങളോട് ചോദിക്കണം അയ്യോ 1 minute sorry 1 minute
സ്ലൈഡ് ഷോ കൊടുത്തില്ല.
ഇതല്ലേ
സ്ലൈഡ് ഷോ എഫ് കൊടുത്തില്ല മമ്മി.
എവിടെ
പവർ പോയിന്റ്
ഷോ ആയിട്ട്
പവർ പോയിന്റ് വലുതാക്കുന്നേ.
എവിടെ ഏതാണ് ഇതാ
ആ ഫുള്ളാക്കണ്ടേ സ്ക്രീന്?
എന്തിനാ ഞാൻ മകനും 1 minute
കഴിഞ്ഞ ടാബ് അവിടെ ചെന്നിട്ട് പോയി
Correct.
ഇപ്പോൾ ചെന്നിട്ട് കൊടുത്തോ നീ. പിള്ളേർക്ക് ഷെയർ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ഷോ ഇത് എന്താ ചെയ്തിട്ട് അറിയില്ല ഷോ
ഇവിടെ പ്രസന്റ് സ്ലൈഡ് ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ഇത് കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ?
Now children, first 7th one, tell. Now Cyrus, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the 7th one. That is, I told you to change the numbers. Tell me. Tell plus ing. Telling. Good. Actually, I showed some problem. Something happened in between. That's why all the answers came. Okay. Now, Fatima, tell me 8th one. Sleep plus ing. Sleep plus ing. Fatima is not attending the class. What is wrong with you, Fatima? Okay, now, if you're there, you answer, never mind. Nobody's there, I'll help you. Joshika, sleep plus ing. Joshika. Kanira. What's wrong? What happened?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Kanira.
Ma'am?
Okay, 1 minute, Kanira. I'll go back. Now tell me, sleep plus ing.
Ma'am, sleeping, ma'am.
Very good. I just want to know whether all others are sleeping. Nobody is answering in class. Now, John, Matthew, John, watch plus ing. I didn't see you during maths period. Were you there? Maths period?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what happened? Your sound is very, very like sad. What happened, John?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now watch plus ing.
Watching.
Only you have to add ing to the same word. Now, Ritik, you have to be very careful.
Ma'am?
Dance plus ing.
Dancing.
Tell me the spelling.
DANCING.
Very good. Next one, I want Alan to tell me. HOP, hop.
Ma'am, hopping.
Spell it.
HOPING.
No. H-O-P-P. Very
HOPPING.
good. Very good. Double P. Okay. Certain things you have to.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Now, Shashwata, tell me right plus ing.
Ma'am,
Say right plus ing.
writing.
Writing. Tell me how. What should I write? Tell me the spelling.
WRITING.
No. Remove e. Like dance. W. 1 minute. WRIT. Remove E, like how we removed dance. Okay. Now, I think all would have written. 1 second, children. Please complete this because you have a homework. Yesterday you had a homework, children. 1 minute, I'll ask you after this. Don't run away. Now, hope all would have finished this. Now, see. Please write this in a new page. Draw a picture and write the ing. You have to draw a picture. And what picture you have to write ing form of it. You know one picture. You're drawing one picture. Use with that word ing and write it. Okay. Let me see. Now I want to check 1 minute. I want to check yesterday's homework. Please write this in your notebook. Please write this in your notebook.
മറ്റേ ഗ്യാപ്പിലെ കാലം അവൻ അവിടെ ഭയങ്കര ഫോഴ്സായിട്ട് ഡ്രസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Write the heading. Okay. Write the heading. Draw a picture and write the ing. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to know, Alan. Alan, what was yesterday's homework? Something you have to write about?
Now write 3 sentences about how you spend your time during the day and circle the verbs in them.
Yes, this I will ask 1 or 2 children now. Special class time, everybody will have to read. You will be getting 10 marks. Now, first today, Alan, then Cyrus, then let me see till the time. No, if you're ready, others must write and keep. Cyrus is not ready. Alan, can you read now? Others complete that work.
Yes,
Alan, just tell, because I told you I will ask you. Yeah.
I get up in the morning. I pray to God.
Very good.
I brush my teeth.
3 sentences. Now, anybody wants to tell?
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Alan. Those who are not ready. And yes. Tridip. Okay, tell Tridip.
Ma'am, I'm not Tridip, ma'am. I'm
Okay, then Effie. I heard that. I tell ma'am. Effie, 1 minute. You can. Effie, Ritik, have you written? Now let Effie read. Then afterwards I will ask. Yes, Effie, read.
Okay, ma'am. I play with my brother after class. I clean my house. I exercise in the evening.
In the evening. Very good. Ritik, do you want to say? Please tell. Read what you have written.
I will watch TV in the evening.
Who's the Tridip? No, Tridip, did you write? No. You can say later. Let Ritik.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Ritik, read.
I didn't also write.
Never mind. I thought because your mic was on, I thought you wanted to tell. But you write and keep during the special class time. Ma'am will ask. Okay, only 3 sentences.
I'll say tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's okay. Because your mic was on, I thought you are going to tell. Now, children, everybody must do the homework. When you get your report card, that place will be blank. Now don't say now it's already time. It's already time. Do your homework daily. Okay now.
Ma'am, can I tell no, ma'am?
No. 1 minute, no. Now, no